Is your camera effects not working or not showing on WhatsApp on your iPhone? It can be a settings issue or an app glitch. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how to solve camera effects not working or not showing issues on WhatsApp. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. After trying these basic settings, follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable Allow Camera Effects. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings icon below. After that, tap Privacy. Scroll down a little bit. And after that, toggle on the Allow Camera Effects option. Then tap Continue. Now go back. Video call someone and see whether camera effects are working or not. If it still doesn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see any updates available for WhatsApp Messenger, then update the app. Hope your camera effects not working issue on WhatsApp on your iPhone is solved. If you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.